When it comes to Revelation chapter 9, acknowledging the locusts of the bottomless pit, and these wings that I have found here are a little larger, that let this veil be opened unto you all, that these, in which you've grabbed and thrown in the air as children, these, I'll tell you something else. These helicopters that grow upon the trees. Does anyone remember that when it comes to Revelations chapter 9, about the locusts, that if they sound like mini helicopters, well these, they spin in the wind as helicopter blades when they fall. And the shape of these very well, looking like the wings of a creeping thing, could be close and similar to the locusts of the bottomless pit. I know not when they come. I swear by him who liveth forever and ever, who created the heaven and the things thereof, and the earth and the things thereof, and the sea and the things thereof, that there shall be time no longer.